Hi, and welcome to With PKS You Can. My name is Fabio, and in this session we are showing you how easy it is to use PKS, Pivotal Container Service, to maintain your Kubernetes environment. In this session, we will show you how simple it is to upgrade your software-defined networking without scripting. So let's get started. As you can see, here I have NSXT from VMware that is managing my Kubernetes environment, my Kubernetes networking. I'm doing all the checks before starting the upgrade, checking that the backups is going good, and checking that my version is 2.3.0. Before starting the upgrade, I put in maintenance one of the hosts that is using NSXT. To upload the new package, I just have to search it on my host. This is a package that you can download from VMware, and it contains all the elements that you need to perform the upgrade. So just trying to locate my package. 2.3.0 is the old one. I need 2.3.1, so I will get it on another folder. As I'm secure, I need to put my login. So here we go, 6.7, and here is the bundle for 2.3.1. So all I have to do now is press upload. The package will be uploaded and checked. Meanwhile, I've checked that everything in my NSXT environment is going good. So just waiting for it to upload, and as soon as I've uploaded it, it will start the upgrade sequentially for the different components of NSXT. So now it's checking the compatibility, and we will be soon ready to start. The first thing that we will update are the hosts. That's why I put one of them already in maintenance. This way I will have no impact on my running workloads. So the package seems to be fine. I just can begin the upgrade. So the upgrade is fully guided, and the flow will show you how the upgrade is going, if anything is failing, and which are the components to be upgraded, and you will see exactly which step the upgrade is taking. So right now I'm still uploading the thing, and there we are. So now the upgrade will bring me from 2.3.0 to 2.3.1. I can always come back here and see which are the components that are to be upgraded, which is their status, and all these kind of things. So I'm always in control of what's happening in my environment. So in this case, I have the option to upgrade the hosts where my Kubernetes workloads are running. I can do them sequentially. I can monitor from this page the upgrade. So if I press start, as one of my hosts is already in maintenance, the upgrade will start immediately. So as you can see, it has picked the first host, who has a 0.25 as an IP, and what we will be doing, it will be checking if everything is fine, uploading the NSX bits, installing them, rebooting the host, checking if the NSXT environment is fine after the upgrade, and then as soon as that is finished, I can put that host back to service and put the other host in maintenance mode, and the upgrade will proceed. So as you can see in this, I've speeded up the process. Obviously, the host is already rebooting. It should be back online soon. There we are, it's back. So I can just remove it from maintenance. Wait a few seconds. In here I have speeded up the process again. And as soon as it's back and everything is fine, I can just put the other host in maintenance. In my lab, I just have 2 hosts for the sake of simplicity. In your environment, you may obviously have more depending on your Kubernetes workloads. So now maintenance mode is doing its stuff. My second host is in a maintenance mode, so it's ready to receive the new NSX 2.3.1 bits. So if I go back to NSXT, I can see that NSXT has already taken the other host, which is 0.26, and is already working on it, installing the bits and all it's needed to make it 2.3.1 upgraded. So again, a few seconds. Actually, I'm speeding this up for the sake of the demo. It takes a few minutes, especially for the reboot, because as you know, physical server require a little bit of time to perform a reboot. And then after the reboot, it will check that the agents are, the NSX agents are reachable. So you can see that you can always see what's happening. So my host is back online. I just remove it from maintenance, and obviously DRS will do its job and rebalance my workloads if needed. Again, here you have to wait a few seconds after proceeding. I'm speeding this up again, and you just have to wait here that the progress goes into done before proceeding to the next step. The next step would be upgrading the edge. So in real simplicity, what is connecting my NSXT environment with the rest of my network, be it physical or whatever. And here it's even simpler. So I just have to start, and the NSXT installer will install everything is needed on the edge cluster to update it to 2.3.1. The same goes for the controller upgrade, which I'm showing here in a super quick version. And again, nothing to do, just press start and monitor that everything is running fine. And here we are waiting for the controller to finish the upgrade. So the controllers are the one where the packets are flowing. In my setup, I just have one. You may need more in your environment. So here I am upgrading the last part, which is NSXT Manager. Obviously, for a while, the manager won't be available, but your network operation will not be impacted. As soon as it is back, I can log back in, and I have to wait a little bit because the appliance takes a little while to restart all its services after the upgrade. So again, a matter of waiting a little bit. I can check back in, and I can see if the upgrades has finished. So you may have some warning, but they should be going away in time. So you just have to be patient a little bit with the manager coming back on time. You can check the dashboard to see if you have all greens. Even this will stabilize after a few minutes, so you will be getting the right status of your components. And then if I go back to the upgrade after a few seconds, we should be seeing, there we go, that all my components are in 2.3.1 and that the last upgrade has been successful. Thank you very much for joining us today, and see you soon on with PKS You Can.